Press go. Then, press the incline up toggle until it reaches its maximum. Engage the emergency stop. Then, unplug the treadmill from the outlet. Lay the cord over the motor cover onto the running belt. If present, also disconnect the coax. With 2 people, lift the back of the treadmill and roll it back as far as you are able. Now, clean the area where the treadmill was sitting. With 2 people, lift the back of the treadmill and roll it back into its original position. Plug in the power cord and coax if necessary. Then, lift the emergency stop to reset the incline.